So part 2, Bird is still trying to figure out how to get to her dog. Oh. I know. She's trying. Go get your dog, Bird. Go get your dog, Bird. Go get him. Where's your dog? Oh, you threw it right on the ground. Go get your dog. Go get your dog, Bird. Don't you get all sassy. Go get your dog. Go get him. Where's your dog? Oh. Don't. So now we have a possessed bird. We may have to call in for an exorcism. Or maybe Birdie, my doll, be crabby. Oh. Okay. All right. We'll check back and see if she makes it to her dog. Well, I think Bird missed her chance to catch her man. He just sauntered off. Uh-oh. I think he found a scorpion. Hold, please. Oh, no. Poor Hound, he got stung by the scorpion. Son of a bitch. Hound, are you okay? Okay. Stop. No, Bird! You can't eat him. Ah, no, wait, scorpion. Oh, my God. Okay, stay. Bird, come here. Bird. Ugh. Okay, stay. Hound, come up in the bed. Bird! Ah! Shut! Okay, stay. Bird, no! Go. Okay, stay. You bit the dog. No, not the camera. Oh, and it's still going. Okay, we're gonna go now. We're having a slight emergency. The dog got bit by the bird, and he got bit by the scorpion in the nose. Okay, here's the long night. Gotta go.